Okay, so in this video we're going to quickly go through the iPhone app. So the iPhone app connects to the desktop that's running on your computer. So as long as you're on the same Wi-Fi network as your computer, then you should see nearby devices. So you can see I've got two Macs running. I'm going to be using this Mac, but then I can click this and it will already pre-populate the label, IP, and then you literally just have to put in your username and password that you use on the computer. So when you've done that, as long as you have remote login enabled, then you'll basically be able to log in to your computer over SSH. So once you're logged in, we can go in and it will be connected to our desktop app. So all the projects that we've been creating on our desktop app, we can go in and we can change and we can add and we can just work with, so we can work remotely. But let's create a new project and we'll call this Swift. Okay. And then we'll go into our Swift. Now we have the ability to create sessions. So you create sessions on your project and you can use any AI model. So you've got Claude, Codex, Gemini and Copilot. So we'll create a session with Claude. Most people will have Codex, but we'll just use Claude. And you can just come in here and then we can put build us a simple iPhone app with Swift. Okay, so that's going to go off. It's going to build us an iPhone app. Again, we can create a new terminal. So we could create a new terminal here. And then we can basically add multiple terminals doing multiple things. We've got all these different themes that you can go through. We can also add predictive text. So you can see my spelling wasn't very good then. You can change the text and all these kind of things. So you have full settings view there. But let's just close this. Let's go back to our original session. We use up and down arrows to navigate through the content. Okay, and then what it's going to do, it's going to create a minimal Swift to run it, want me to expand on it. So what it's done is I think it's actually created that for us. I'm going to ask it to use my code signer that we already have set up. So use okay. So all I've asked it to do there is like when you build an Xcode app, you have to use a code sign and identity. And we've got this already set up. But if you need to set up yourself, then this is the thing with AI, like it talks you through everything and it will set up Xcode for you, it will do everything for you. So I'll just give it a second now to just go off, it will find the correct identity and I'll just leave it down here where it does that. Okay, so it's gone off, it's built everything that we needed, so we've got everything built, so now we can go ahead and check. And what we're doing is we're actually going to build it to this iPhone. Okay, so it's detecting the project, and then it will build to this iPhone. Build succeeded, and then it runs directly. So we've got this, it's built us this really simple app. Okay, great. So let's go ahead and let's go one step further. Okay, so let's say, okay, great. Now make it a WhatsApp clone. Okay, so we've got the app running and we're asking it to do something complex now to build a WhatsApp clone, and then let's just leave it and see what it comes up with. Okay, great, so that's done. Let's see what it's come up with. So we'll do a build it to XI. So you can build it to, like, if we had multiple phones as well, you'd be able to build it to all the phones in your office, say. Okay, so this is what it's come up with. We've got like a WhatsApp style. So it's not amazing, but it's not too bad. And let's face it, you've got something to build upon. You know, you've got all the kind of stuff that WhatsApp has. So I'll put this on GitHub, and yeah, you can kind of play around with it and view the code. But that's just how simple it is to just build an app, you know, or a WhatsApp with the VybeCoding iPhone app. So give it a go. Any issues, bugs, please let us know. We're actively developing this, but we want to make it as simple as possible for you to be able to build applications. I've actually been doing it with my 8-year-old son, and we've been really enjoying building stuff. He's been building Lost Dino games and all these kind of things, and it's super creative for him to be able to do that. So rant over, but yeah,